Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So you guys, with Valentine's Day coming, I figured it would be kind of cute to try and put together a Dollar Tree table setting. So pretty much everything you see here came from the dollar store or I made it. So let me walk you through what I did to do this very cute and very simple and very budget friendly table setting. All right, so the very first thing we have is our plastic Dollar Tree tablecloth. Excuse the wrinkles. Yeah, I would suggest putting this out a few days before Valentine's Day so that all the wrinkles come out. And on the table here, we have our Dollar Tree charger plates, and I'm using the color silver that they had at the Dollar Tree. I'm kind of sticking to the red and silver and white theme for this table setting. Next we have our red paper plates, and then I have my white napkins, and I just put some of the Dollar Tree bling around them. I just took the bling and hot glued it around, and then made a little made a little napkin ring out of that, and just stuck the paper napkins in by doing a fan fold. That's what I'm talking about, fan fold. All right, so next we have the table runner. I have the white table runner. Now, I did not get this from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree does not have white table runners. Now, they do have other colors. I have purchased red from there. They also have black and I think tan and green. But because I wanted to stay within my color theme of red, white, and silver, I just used this table runner that I purchased from, I believe, Amazon. And I'll include all the links for the items that I did not get from the Dollar Tree below. So I did use the table runner, and the reason I wanted to use the white table runner as well is because I want to use my red rose petals from the Dollar Tree. Now the Dollar Tree does have white rose petals. If you don't want to purchase a separate table runner, you can just use white rose petals to kind of make your own little rose petal table runner. You know what I mean? So just use the rose petals instead, instead of using the actual table runner. All right, next we have my centerpieces. I have this little cute little jar from the dollar store, and I just took one of the rose petals off of the bundle of roses that I purchased and just put it in this little glass right here. Next we have our Dollar Tree cylinder vases, and I put the Dollar Tree bling around the top with my candle here. And next I have my other cylinder vase. Now I wrapped this one completely in the bling. Now this bling I got from Amazon as well. I want to kind of change up the bling. I mostly use this one all the time because this is the one that Dollar Tree offers. But I did purchase this from Amazon and I think it gives it a nice new touch. And I have my flowers. The next centerpiece I have is this tall centerpiece, and I have my bundles of roses from Dollar Tree. Now these, I think I used about 6 bundles of roses. Yep, so I used 6 bundles of roses, and you could add more, and I just kind of threw them in there. You can play with it a little bit to make it a little bit more fuller. So I probably would do maybe at least about 8 bundles, just to make it a little bit more fuller. But for my purpose, it serves just fine. So with this vase, it's actually 2 vases. It's the Dollar Tree vase, just like the one we have right here. It's this one on top of the another cylinder vase that has the little flare at the bottom. And I did that because I wanted to give it a little bit more stability. Instead of just putting the 2 jars on top, if I have the flare at the bottom, it makes it a little bit more sturdier. So how I did, again, I wrapped the bling here, and then I wrapped the bling in the middle. But you can put the bling anywhere you like on your vases. And then just to repeat, I had the same Dollar Tree vase wrapped in the bling with my white roses, and then the other 2 as I had before. And that is it for my table setting, for my Valentine's Day table setting. And then just to add a little bit more, to make it more Valentine-ish, I took some heart cutouts. Now these heart cutouts I actually just cut up myself. But you can actually purchase ones from the Dollar Tree. I think I even seen some glitter ones that would be like so perfect, especially for someone who is into bling and things like that. So, but yeah, I just took a few of these hearts and just taped them to the wall. And this is just a cute backdrop that adds to your table setting. But you can also use it for like a photo backdrop. So once you guys are done having your Valentine's dinner, you can, move your table and, stand in front of your heart backdrop and just take pictures. So I think this is a very cute idea, and it's very easy to do in order to make that backdrop. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video for creating a very simple and easy Valentine's Day table setting. And again, majority of the items came from the Dollar Tree. So it's pretty budget friendly. And like I said again, you don't have to use the table runner or this bling. You can use the ones that's actually from the Dollar Tree and pretty much create the same exact look. All right, you guys, I hope you have a very nice Valentine's Day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.